Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a cross-handed catapult. Now, if you've done a catapult before, that's great, but it's by no means necessary to be able to jump straight in with this one. And it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So it starts not like a standard catapult, which would be right to right, but it starts either man's right, lady's left, so straight grip, or much easier for most people, two hands. So what happens is we go semicircles and back, and by the time we're back, guys move a little bit left and we let go with the fella's left hand. So we're getting out of the lady's line and we end up man's right, lady's left. Then the sweep is very similar to a catapult, so we bring the lady forwards, keeping the hand low, taking it over to the right so the lady's turning left. As that happens, the hand comes up as we step forwards. We stop the lady from turning and send her back. We step in front, and at this point we are still in that right to lady's left. Now, fellas, we're going to offer the left and we need it to be on the top, so we want to make sure the right hand is down low and we offer the left relatively high because we want the lady to take over the other two arms. Now what we're going to do here, guys, is we can take a step to the right, we're going to draw the lady forwards with the left hand, we're going to bring it up, but we're going to hang on with the right so the lady comes into this barrier. And what happens from here is we pull with both hands to start the lady into a turn direction, letting go with the man's right, the lady goes round, and you could at this point step back and do a return afterwards, or you could step back and go left and do a travelling return. Often the lady has a fair amount of energy going past us, so a travelling return would be more natural, so I'm going to teach it with a travelling return. So let's think about some numbers. So if we start left to right, we can go semicircle back, offering the hand, so by the time we're back we're into 2, then releasing the left, guy getting out of the way, so there's count 1. We're going sweep, 2, offering the hand in the lean, 3, bring the lady forwards into the block, 4, and then the big turn, 5, out of the way, 6, travelling 7, and face 8. And if you're wondering why it's called a cross-handed catapult, it's because you're talking about the hands being crossed when you're in the catapult lean. Okay, so we're ready to go. Let's try it. 5, a 6, a cross-handed catapult. We go a back, sweep, offer, block, big turn, out of the way, travelling return, and you're done. And that's it. Hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another Intermediate Modern Jive Clip. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out, and we really do appreciate everybody helping to promote the channel by liking and subscribing. We'll pop a music recommendation on the end, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.